Let's talk about an Amalfi Coast boat tour versus a boat tour to Capri. If you already booked your Amalfi Coast boat tour, do I also recommend a boat tour to Capri? Maybe. If you have enough days, a day trip to Capri is a good idea, but it's not the first thing I would recommend. If you are debating taking a day trip to Capri versus an Amalfi Coast boat tour, I 1000% recommend the Amalfi Coast boat tour over a day trip to Capri. As I've said in many videos, an Amalfi Coast boat tour is pretty much the #1 thing that I recommend you do, that or a scooter tour. Capri is lovely. I've been numerous times. I've stayed there. I've visited as a day trip. There's nothing like an Amalfi Coast boat tour. This is from the owner of one of the boat tours that I recommend. She says, the Amalfi Coast boat tour is so much better than going all the way to Capri when you're staying in Positano. The beauty's right in front of your door. They don't even offer a boat tour to Capri because she thinks the best option for everyone is to do an Amalfi Coast boat tour. So that's exclusively what they offer. And again, I couldn't agree more. But if you have the time, if you have extra days, take a day trip to Capri. And if you have even more days, you should go actually stay on Capri because that's better than a day trip. This is Furore. This is in the Amalfi Coast. Your boat tour will take you to see this. First priority, Amalfi Coast boat tour. Last priority, Capri day trip. I hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more Positano tips.